Welcome to Module 1 of our comprehensive Python programming course. In this module, we'll dive into the exciting world of Python and get you started on your journey to becoming a proficient Python programmer. So, let's begin with the very first topic, an introduction to Python. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language that has gained immense popularity among developers worldwide. It's known for its simplicity, readability, and extensive range of applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python offers a solid foundation for building a wide variety of software projects. Before we jump into writing our first lines of code, let's take a moment to understand why Python is such a great language for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Python's syntax is designed to be intuitive and human-friendly, making it easy to read and write. This means you can focus more on solving problems and less on deciphering complex syntax. Python also provides a large and active community of developers, which means there are countless resources, libraries, and frameworks available to help you build powerful applications efficiently. Whether you're interested in web development, data analysis, machine learning, or even game development, Python has got you covered. Another remarkable feature of Python is its cross-platform compatibility. You can write Python code on one operating system, such as Windows, and seamlessly run it on another, like Mac OS or Linux, without any major modifications. This makes Python highly flexible and ensures that your code can reach a broader audience. Python is an interpreted language, which means that you don't need to compile your code before running it. You can write your code in a text editor, save it with a .py extension, and then execute it directly. This rapid development cycle allows for quick experimentation and prototyping, which is invaluable for both beginners and professionals. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in software development, want to automate repetitive tasks, or simply enjoy the satisfaction of building your own projects, Python offers a world of possibilities. So, get ready to unlock your programming potential and embark on this exciting Python programming journey with us. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into the fundamental building blocks of Python, starting with variables and data types. So, stay tuned, and let's continue this amazing Python adventure together.